So,
Huh? Yeah?
I kind of forgot to record
Yeah?
Mailtime.
There's no kick on it.
But
There's no kick. Oh, he left. Never mind. It's good. Thank you, because I just wanted it to be you and me and the bots. That's all I wanted it to be. That's why I kicked you when you're going.
But see what I didn't. But I can show you what I got.
But dude, I didn't really want him to join at all.
I got this from Mailtime. This.
Okay,
this,
you against me
this,
and the bots.
This.
How much would I bet you'll die?
This.
There's 2 people right behind me.
That is how many gifts so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 2 other ones for rooms, 8, 9. This was just 10, 11, 12. Just
Zodiac, leave.
Bleh.
Zodiac, leave.
Yeah.
See, Zodiac trying to take over, and it's annoying.
A couple people gave me gifts. Kai. That was a red accessories in there. Not really back there. It was in the back there. It was like a purple something like this. And then something else.
I got Zodiac.
There's something else. I don't know. It was here. Thank you, Kai. Best friend. I hope you don't get the time. Have a good best friend. Boom, shakalaka.
You're my level. See, look. He's following me. That's why. I hate Zodiac. Like, leave. Unfriend me or something. Leave. You did? Thank you. Now leave.
And here's the hack. If they say share it, just share it to the same person like you just shared to everybody. And then
Just
share it
go
to
after
another
Zodiac.
person and then one more.
Just go after Zodiac.
Makes it
Like,
faster.
forget about the bots.
And then if you just give him an autograph, okay? My voice is cracking. Give him an autograph. If I could say those clothes are cute, why would you give them away?
Please don't say I got. Ooh!
And
Oh my god! I'm about to win.
I gotta wait till my birthday.
No, I'm like at the night. I'm on 8
Oh my god, I want
pills.
to Well, that's about it.
Now I gotta fight.
So yeah.
Oh my gosh, I crushed him! You saw that? Hold on, now look at this replay. Nah, this is a tight replay. Hold up, watch this.
Don't leave me yet.
I knifed her, and then watch this.
And
He was shooting me.
it's probably like about 6 minutes or 7, depends.
Punched him in the face.
And just 4. And bye.